In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Perplexity Comet browser. If you're looking for a new browser that promises speed, efficiency, and a clutter-free interface, you just might find Perplexity Comet to be a great option. We'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you don't miss a thing. So let's get started. First, we need to visit the Perplexity Comet webpage. Open up your current browser and type in the official web address for Perplexity Comet. Make sure you are on the authentic and official site to ensure a safe download. You'll be looking for a page that showcases the features of the Comet browser and highlights what makes it unique. Once you're on the web page, you should see a clearly marked button that says Download Comet. This is what you're looking for, so go ahead and click on it. Download buttons like these are typically prominently displayed, often in a contrasting color to grab your attention, making it easy to spot. After clicking the download button, your computer will likely prompt you to save the file. It might show up at the bottom of your browser window if you're using browsers like Chrome or Edge, and it will generally appear as a small notification. Click on the notification or open your downloads folder to locate the file. You'll want to double-click the downloaded installer file to open it. This leads us to the installation process. Once the installer is launched, you'll likely be greeted by a series of prompts guiding you through the installation. Follow these step-by-step instructions, agreeing to terms and conditions, and choosing your install location if it's applicable. This process doesn't take too long, so hang tight as the Comet browser installs on your computer. With the installation complete, you're almost ready to explore everything that Comet has to offer. Simply go to your Applications or Program menu and launch the Comet browser. On your first startup, you might be prompted to configure some setup preferences. This could include setting Comet as your default browser, adjusting privacy settings, or importing bookmarks from your previous browser. Take your time to go through these options so that you tailor the Comet browser to your liking right from the start. And there you have it. You now have the Perplexity Comet browser installed on your computer, all set up and ready to go. Explore its features, speed, and enjoy a new browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!